Hello, friends. Hello. So, today I want to talk to you about merchandise. So, I had it in my mind I would get merchandise eventually, but I wasn't willing to spend what little money I was making on merchandise. And now that I have become monetized, a lot of options have been thrown at me. I've made, some attempts to look it over, but I ultimately decided I would wait until I reached 2,000 subscribers before I decided to do anything. Because in my mind, if it took me 2.5 years to reach 1,500 subscribers, it'd probably take me another maybe a year to get to 2,000. Yeah, that didn't happen. So now that I've reached 2,000, I thought, no, I still don't have enough views. But then I thought, listen, you need to kind of get with the times like everybody else. And even if nothing sells, at least it's there. So that's what I did. I spent a couple of days sitting down, going over a few designs. I'm not happy with some of them, and that's to be expected for a first round. But once I got the store up, then I thought I was going to have a longer waiting period with YouTube, but it didn't work out that way. So, anyway, what I thought I would do is just go ahead and get the first round up and see what happens. And wait for my sample products so that I could at least show something to you. Well, they finally arrived, or at least one did. So, give me just a minute. I'll go throw it on and let's see how it goes. So, here it is. I ordered one sample. I wanted to see how it was going to do. Now, this first design did exactly what I thought it was going to do. I didn't think it was going to come out. I just had it in my mind. It's probably not going to come out. So, it didn't on the back, but it did here. So, let me show you so that you can get a good feel of what I'm dealing with. Now, I'm just going to turn my back to the camera and hopefully you'll be able to see it. So, the design did not work out very well. The reason why is because it doesn't have the right vector, is what I'm told. But they were nice enough to put a little note in there for me so that I would know what I needed to do. I did everything on Canva. And of course, now it's kind of nice to know that it didn't quite work out. But I also thought, before I even got it, that maybe I wanted to change the design a little bit. So, anyway, let me show you. Detail Grandma. This turned out great. Now, something else that I got from this is I get to feel how the t-shirt is going to feel. Okay? I'm an extra large, and this is a soft t-shirt. I really like the feel of it. It's not bunching up on me. I'm feeling good, and I have to have a decent feeling t-shirt. If it doesn't feel good on me, I'm like, no. So anyway, some of the other products I have set, and I'm waiting for more products to arrive, is I have coffee cups, which I've got several different ones, and I did try to put in a couple of designs that were not pertaining to detailing, because my thought was not everybody wants to deal with having a detail grandma on there, so I thought Detail Life would be one in my chosen colors. I also got Coffee Please, because that's me. I gotta have my coffee. And I also have mouse pads. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the other shop too. They have some candles and some air fresheners, and I thought, I want to kind of play around with it, just see what happens. I'm not expecting a lot, and most of you who finally reach into the merchandise shelf You probably wouldn't want to expect a lot. It happens. It happens. It takes time for that to kind of take off. But in the meantime, you can go ahead and put it out there, and maybe there's somebody out there who's like, oh, let me check it out. But we also have, there's all kinds of things. So, a travel mug, coasters, and what I want to try to do is mix it up a little bit. I'll have a few detail grandma stuff there, but I think I'm going to go with more of the every moment counts kind of thing. That stuff. I just feel like it would make more sense instead of just trying to sell detailed grandma stuff. So, anyway, that's my thought and my take on merchandise, but not bad, I don't think. I mean, you can see that. You can see that just fine. This is a little blurry, which is to be expected from a first time thing. So I'm not going to stress about it. But I do think what I want to do is just kind of go with something a little more, I don't know, simple. I'm not sure I want the designs on the back, but I'm thinking, hey, I got it. Might as well enjoy it. So as the new stuff comes in, I will bring it to you. But here is the link for you to go and look and see what you think. And don't forget to bookmark it, because I'm going to change things up a little bit. I'm going to play with them, and you just might find something that you like too. So thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.